Hey everybody, it's your girl Loveena coming back to you guys with those banging savings challenges, you guys. I am so grateful to be able to bring some more savings challenges to you guys so you can watch me stuff, so we can see the progress we're making with these savings challenges, okay, you guys? So, first of all, thank you for everybody who's liked, comment, and subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate you. I really appreciate you spending a little time with me. That's what it's all about. The community of it all, you guys. The community. The community is very important to me, okay? Because after that first video, when I first came back, you guys, had it not been for all the love and support and encouragement that you guys poured into me, I don't know what your girl would have did if I would have went back into my sunken place. So I'm so grateful for y'all for that, if nothing else, for that, okay, you guys? So thank y'all. That's a big shout out, because you know, sometimes we need support. You know, we all might be strangers, but that doesn't make a difference. You can really help somebody by pouring into them, saying something like, you know, you're gonna make it. It's gonna be okay today, or you got this, or here go your crown, fix that mug. You know what I mean? Those little things help, and I appreciate all my sisters and brothers in this community. So thank you from the bottom of my heart, okay? So let's get into this. But before we do, you guys, your girl has those savings binders on deck. We got red, blue. We have this lavender as well. We also have, drum roll, woo! We got yellow, black, and mint, okay? $20, including shipping inside of the U.S., okay, you guys? So let's get into these savings challenges, you guys. What will happen today? Will we finish any today? Or will we have to just wait until the next stuffing? Let's find out, you guys. We have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, $21 today. That is a blessing. That is abundance, okay? Because it's just growing like leaves on a tree, or like grass in your yard, honey. It's growing, all right? So the first challenge, you guys, we're going to get into is the ultimate book of savings challenges, you guys. You can find this on Amazon as well. I will be setting up my store. Well, my store is set up. I just have to link it. You know, I have to put my P.O Box. Your girl got her P.O Box. So I have to just get all of the things together for my channel, you guys. I'm not a professional channel maker or nothing like that. So I'm going to have to learn these things. I know, you know. So just bear with your girl, okay? Bear with me, all right? Y'all done bear with your girl this long. Please give me a little more time. Thank y'all. But I do ship out those binders on time. You won't have that problem, honey, because you gave me your shmoney. You gave me your shmoney. So we're going to let's see what this shmoney do, okay? So we started this challenge on September 4th. So we didn't get to complete this full line on the 4th. So I think we'll do that today, you guys. So how y'all been doing? So we got the number 3. We got $3, $7, and $1, equaling $11, you guys. So let's do that with that. Set this on the side. Okay. Let's color this in. How y'all been doing? I hope you guys are doing well, and your families. The ice cream truck, y'all. And Jayden did hear it. Sorry, you guys. The ice cream truck had came. And y'all all know how the ice cream truck music be. So we're going to finish. We done colored in this 3. So now, you guys, we're going to do the 7. That's the $10 right there. That's that lucky 10, honey. I already know we got less than 90 left now. And then the 1, that's $11. The motivation be powerful. The words of encouragement be blissful, you guys. Oh, and this is the 30. This is the $100. Okay, 5, 10, 11. That's that challenge, you guys. So let's see what we got in here now. 10, 20, wait, 5, wait. Sorry, y'all. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42. We almost halfway there, y'all. Run it up, run it up, run it up. We almost halfway there. You see that, you guys? It compounds. It adds up. It definitely adds up. So we're going to see you later, Ultimate Book. We're going to see you in a little while, honey child. Now, we're going to go to one of my other favorites, the Ultimate Book of Savings Challenges. I am a queen. Why? Because I am a queen, and you a queen. And if you a man, you a king, all right? And that's on period. That's on everything, okay? That's just what it is. Now, we started this challenge on 9/8. Okay? And this is our $200 saving challenge in 30 days. And like I said, for me, I'm not going to just force myself to finish this in 30 days. If I do, that's going to be a major blessing and accomplishment, the stage I am right now financially. The way my pocket's set up, y'all. If I do this in 30 days, honey, hallelujah. That would be a blessing, okay? So, but we ain't going to worry about it. If we can't, we just going to keep on keeping on, right? Feel me, y'all? We're going to keep on keeping on. And we're going to stick to those 4s today. So, we're going to do both of these 4s, which is $8, all right? Let's count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, let me see something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my. Do we want to do that? Do we want to do the 4s? Oh, it's only 4s, 8, and 10s on here, you guys. How about, yeah, we gonna do, no, we're not gonna do that. We only gonna do 4, y'all, today. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna do only 4. And that's just what it is. I'm happy to be able to do that. And y'all happy, I'm happy to be able to do all that. And y'all happy I can do all that. I already know. I already know. It ain't nothing. How do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time, okay? Because one day, one glorious day, you guys, this gonna be all colored. And we gonna get to that color that you did it part. Okay? So that's definitely something for me to look forward to. And we're going to color this for red today. And that's just what it is, y'all. I wouldn't care if it was only $1 I had to put on this challenge. That's what it's going to do. That's what I'm going to do too. And I'm going to bring it straight to y'all so y'all can be here for it with me. And encourage me on stuffing that dollar. Girl, you did that dollar. You stuffed that dollar. Woo! You doing a great job, Loveena. Keep going. Stuff another $1. Now get another $1 and stuff it. Period. And this is that $200 challenge. So let's see what we got. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 today. Now let's count this money, y'all, and see what we got. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, $12. The abundance of it all. Y'all see that? Your girl coming back. She coming back. And that's just what it is. Your girl coming back. Now, y'all, let's do our final one. I got this book also from Amazon. Low Income Savings Challenges, you guys. I really like this book because it has the $50 challenges on there that I really love, you know, especially on the low budget. I done did a couple of those, see, since I've been back. I think this was the first one since I've been back. We did that one. And then we completed this one. And now we're on to this one. So let's see what we have today, y'all. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I know I want to fill in that 4 that we missed the other day. So we got $6. So how about we do that 4 and then and then we do the 2 right here at the bottom, you guys. And that's what we're going to do today, because that's what your girl can do. Because why? We do what we can do when we can do it. That's my motto, y'all. So y'all be encouraged, because one day this gonna be to the end too. All right, this is definitely gonna be to the end. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. I'm excited to get this 4 out the way. Really, I am, because it's like a quarter full. Once I do the 2, we well on our way, y'all. Let me know if any of you guys took a picture of this and is doing this challenge with me from the live. Apologies, you guys, I ran out of storage. I had to clear out some storage. Anybody got any tips? How do you guys film? And I'm sure you guys run out of storage. So I have the latest iPhone, but I still run out of storage, you guys. So apologies for that. As you can see, I've started the 2. So, and I've colored that in, you guys. All right, so we have a little ways to go. We have a little ways to go, but I think this is doable sooner than a few of the other ones, okay? So we have 4 and 2. That was $6 in this one, okay? So let's go ahead and stuff that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whew. 6, you guys, $6. Let's see where we at with our $50 challenge, okay? Let's see what we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're 40 bucks away, you guys. And we can do it. But one thing I'm not going to do, if I don't have it, I'm not going to try to make myself have it. I'm just going to go follow the process. And when it's complete, it's complete. Previously, I'll hurry up. Like, I'll knock them challenges out. But this time, no. I'm going to take my time, and I'm going to do what I can when I can. Because I found myself trying to complete those challenges last time, and I'm neglecting other stuff. And then I regret I stuffed the challenge, and then I end up dipping in that. So, no. So, I'm going to continue to take my time and stuff my savings challenges, you guys. Less stress. This isn't supposed to be a stressful process for me or you guys. So, once again, thank you very much for watching my videos, hitting that like and subscribe button. And if you haven't already, hit that like button for your girl, okay? It don't cost you nothing. And it'll really help me out with my with my channel, and I really appreciate you, okay? So until next time, you guys, you have a blessed day. And once again, I'm wishing abundance over you, your binders, and your families. And exactly, and over mine too. We got to get the abundance going on. All right, you guys, continue to be safe and blessed. Bye.